Today I will show you how to solve 3x3 Rubik's cube. So it is very easy to solve this. So I am shuffling this. So as you can see this, it is shuffled. So you have to choose one side. I am choosing white because it is very comfortable. So you have to make a cross over there. So as you can see, the cross is being made. Now you have to adjust the corners. So this piece is not here, so we will remove it. Now blue, red, and then white. So now green, red, and white. So it will come here. Now blue, orange, and white. So it will come here. And green and orange. This piece will go here. And this piece will go over here. Now as you can see, first layer is completed. So we move to second layer. Now for completing the second layer, like it is green and orange, so we have to put this piece over there. So we will use the algorithm. So you have to perform the following algorithm. Suppose that this green and orange piece should be, this piece should be here. So by putting the matching colors together, you have to perform the algorithm. Down, L, D, L, I, D, I. Now you have to face the cube like this and perform R, I, then D, I, then R. So this piece is adjusted now. So you have to do the for all this. So I am doing. So now the second layer has been completed. Now for the last layer, there will be three of the situations like this pattern. So you have to face it like this, and you have to perform the following algorithm: F, U, R, UI, RI, then FI. Now as you can see, only one color is here, so you have to perform the algorithm again: F, U, R, UI, RI, FI. So now as you can see, the line has been made. Now you have to perform the following algorithm: F, R, U, RI, UI, then FI. As you can see, the plus is being made. And the another situation is as you reach till this position, like plus and 1 here, so you have to perform the following algorithm. If it comes like this, so you have to make this piece over here, and if this piece comes like this over here, so you have to again make the piece over here like this. Now you have to perform the following algorithm: R U R I U R U U R I. Now as you can see, this piece is here, so by putting over here, you have to again use the following algorithm: R U R I U R U U R I. So as you can see, the third layer is about to complete, so we have to arrange this piece only. So by putting these two over red, you have to perform the following algorithm, and again you have to put these two pieces over the same color, and by putting this side opposite to this, you have to perform following algorithm: R I F R I B B R F I R I B B R R U I. So as you can see, only one is remaining, so you have to check this. So as you can see, this piece will go over here and this piece will go over here, so you have to perform the following algorithm: F F, so it is clockwise, so U F F U L R I F F L I R U, then F F. As you can see, one side is completed. So in this, the blue piece will go here and the red piece will go over here and green piece will go over here. So it is moving like clockwise. So you have to perform the following algorithm: F F U L R I F F L I R U, then again F F. So as you can see, the cube is solved. In that, if it comes like anti-clockwise, so you have to perform F F, then as it is anti-clockwise, so you have to do that, and the rest part will be the same. So thanks.